Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to track a parcel on Vinted. So first of all, come here on vinted.com, or you can either open your Vinted application on your phone, then simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, simply click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen, and then simply select the option of My Orders. Now over here you are going to see all of the orders that are basically in progress, have completed and are cancelled. So simply select the tab of in progress, and here you need to select the order that you want to track. Now on the orders page you are going to see the current delivery status. So when you tap on the option of track parcel or view tracking option in order to basically open the latest tracking information. Now if the parcel was shipped with a supported carrier, Vinted will display the updates such as parcel is sent, in transit, out for delivery or delivered. So you can also tap on the carrier's tracking link for more detailed shipping updates. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.